Pie charts are generally used to show percentage data or proportional data, and usually the percentage represented by each category is provided next to the corresponding slice of the pie. So here we can see the causes of death in the United States in 2005, and you can see the label out here and the percentage. So where did this data come from? So we have a chart here with the actual causes of death here, and just column B represents the cause of death, and then column C represents the number of people who died from that cause. So if I click on this B4, the first entrance in that table, and then hold the Shift key down and select the last one, I can now plot this data, and I would select the graph tool or the insert chart tool. And once again, we can see it coming in to this table. So if I was to change some numbers here, so for example, let's say I got that wrong, and let's say that was something like that, you can see that the percentages will change accordingly. And so then we can move this to its own sheet by clicking on the More menu and say, go ahead and move it to its own sheet. And now if we wanted to add further kind of interest to it, we can edit the chart. And some things we can do with the edit in the chart here is to customize. And so let's say we want to customize the pie slice. So you can change the color. So for example, let's say you wanted to change heart disease here to a different color. You could choose any color that you want. And then you can also say, if you want it to be pulled out from the pie, you can select a percentage like that and have it pop out. And notice you can have the legend appear down at the bottom, or you could have it appear titled right on the chart itself.